this shit? Just a dusting, they said. Yeah, just a dusting. Looks like we're gonna get 8 inches. Giggity. What is up, YouTubes? I'm about to go out in the Powerstroke. Got a little drive, gotta go pick my daughter up. Operation, go pick your daughter up. We'll see what we can come up with. Hopefully we can snatch some dumbasses out of some ditches. That'll be fun. Alright, we're gonna get back at you later. About to go mess around a little bit. Yeah, we out riding around and we in the hood, we see this silly ass shit. We headed in the direction of this way. How the hell did they do that? Got the popos back there. Yeah. Nonsense. That's all it is. You agree?
Yes.
Nonsense. Oh, big head. What do we got on the street? We probably got about 3 inches of snow on the street. And them stupid son of bitches ended up crossed up. Somehow. Living the life. Oh, should I splash them?
Oh, I don't do that to the poor soul. He's already fighting it.
That'd be messed up, wouldn't it? Messed up. Shit is pushing me around all over the road, though.
Here you go.
Oh, they at the bus stop. They got to go somewhere. They got to be somewhere.
Because you see food.
Oh, the Buick. Oh boy, I might have to push him. I might have to push him. Oh boy.
Perfect.
Man, we got to go, y'all. We got to go. We got to be somewhere. We got to be somewhere, y'all. Sorry. For those that don't know, this is the RVA, is what they like to call it. We on Hull Street. I don't see no crackheads out today. Usually they're out here every damn morning dancing around like idiots. These fools doing? I guess I should get busted using my GoPro driving.
That would be nice.
What are these fools doing? Oh,
What happened?
shit broke down. Shit broke down.
Babe, red light, red light.
Oh, red light.
You almost went.
I was gonna go.
I'm locked up. They won't let me out. I promise it's not my hand moving.
Perfect.
We are going hard in Virginia for about 3 inches of snow. We got 3 damn snow plows going hard on Mechanicsville Turnpike. Quick little updates, 4 p.m. Richmond, Virginia. We're in the south side now, headed down 95. It's getting right ugly out here, especially with a bunch of people that don't know how to drive. Making our way down the road. And Operation Pick Up the Daughter was a success.
Perfect.